Hello dear students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. So students, in the previous video you have studied about column formatting and find and replacing feature of Microsoft Word. Now in this video we will going to learn about setting page properties and printing a documents. So dear students, Microsoft Word offers a variety of page layout and formatting options that affect how content appears on the page. The page in a Microsoft Word document can be formatted by setting page properties such as page margin, page orientation and page size. You can customize the page margin, page orientation and page size depending on how you want your documents to appear. Now I will teach you about page margin. So student, the page margin is the space between the edges of the page and the document text on all four sides. Page margin refers to the blank space around the edges of the page. You can see that in the diagram. The space seen on all the four sides of the page is called the top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. You can see that in the diagram. By default, a new document's margin are set to normal, which means it has a 1 inch space between the text and each edge. Depending on your needs, Word allow you to change your document's margin size. Now, I will teach you how can we set the page margin. To set the page margin, you can follow the given steps. First, you have to click on the page layout tab. Then, click on the page margin option. Okay, when you click on the page margin option, then a list of predefined margin setting appears. Normal is selected by default. Now, click the predefined margin size you want. You can choose any predefined size, okay, which you want. Then if you want to specify different value for page margins, then click on the custom margin option. When you click on the custom margin option, then custom margin option, then page setup dialog box appear. Okay, when you click on the custom margin option, then page setup dialog box appears. Now type the value for top, bottom, left and right margin and click OK button. The margin of the page are set accordingly. So after knowing about page margin, now we will learn about page orientation. The page orientation is the property that determines the printing direction of the text. Orientation means the layout position of the paper for printing. There are two ways to set the orientation of a page in a Microsoft Word document: portrait and landscape. The portrait orientation is the default orientation. In portrait orientation, the document is printed lengthwise. You can see that. So in the portrait document orientation, document is printed lengthwise. And in the landscape orientation, document is printed widthwise. Okay. In the landscape orientation, the document is printed widthwise. So dear student, to set page orientation, you can follow the given steps. First, you have to click on the page layout tab. You can see that in the diagram. So click on the page layout tab. Then click on the orientation option. After that, select the orientation type as portrait or landscape. So dear students, after page margin and page orientation, now we will learn about how can we set page size in Microsoft Word. You must choose a page size before printing a document. By default, the page size of a new document is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Depending on your project, you may need to adjust your document's page size. It's important to note that before modifying the default page size, you should check to see which page size your printer can accommodate. To set the page size, you can follow the given steps. First, click on the page layout tab. Okay, you can see that in the diagram. So you have to click on the page layout tab. Then click on size option. Okay, when you click on the size option, then a list of paper size options appears. You can see that in the diagram. After that, now choose the desired page size. Okay, so these are very simple steps to set page size in Microsoft Word. So dear students, now we will learn about how can we print a document in Microsoft Word. Okay, to print a document in Microsoft Word, you can follow the given steps. First step is click on the File tab. You can see that in the diagram. So you have to click on the File tab. Then click on the Print option. Second step is click on the Print option. Okay. Now third step is choose the printer from printer drop down list. So you have to choose the printer from printer drop down list. Fourth step is enter the number of copies in the copies spin box. So you have to click on copy spin box. Okay, from here you can choose the number of copies to print. Fifth step is under the settings section, click on the arrow next to the print all page option to choose which page to print. Okay, you can choose any one option like print all pages, print selection, print current page, print custom page, only print odd page, or only print even page. And last step is click on the print button. So these are very simple steps to print a document in Microsoft Word. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of how can we set the page set property and how can we print our document in Microsoft Word. I will coming soon with new video and new chapter. Till that time, bye bye.